Good morning. How are you all? Okay, how was your Deepavali? Because it got flame. So, Priya Mahesh with you for Let's Sell Successfully. This is another variation. We have been seeing the power of now, and what we saw last was the how to sell, and lot of things we saw on communication we saw. Then we saw recognizing the communication patterns, etc. Today, I would love to reintroduce myself based upon requests from several managers connected that I am a powerful consultant into the UAE markets. Consulting in the sense, in what form of consulting is altering your company personality to enhance your sales and to advertise your product, and what are the ways and means, especially new companies, and certain principles I invented and the client benefited I love to share. The one is replacing quality salespeople in place of quantity. And from the hiring panels, before entering the field, the training has to be sophisticated. That is, before the field sales does happen, the training should happen in faster measure by the senior member of the team. And one more is, before few years, and invented for a jewelry that the customers themselves posing for your product. And these are all the powerful marketing and selling strategies which I introduced into the market as a consultant. So, my bio reads the intro like this. It's just an reintroduction. I started my career with CMC, Computer Maintenance Corporation, as secretary and faculty teaching the software languages. From there, I went to Kirloskar Electric Company as admin manager. From there, I went to Shankar Nethralaya Eye Hospital for my passion towards charity and service to the public. So, I was a media coordinator, I was a writer, I was an anchor, and I had my anchoring career, or MCing, rather that is a new term which available in the market, right. So, I was a powerful MC for 10 plus years in UAE, GCC countries. Especially more of my years in MCing was spent in India and Oman platform. So, then from Shankar Nethralaya, after my marital life started, I anchored in Muscat, Oman as marketing manager for Innovations Computers, which is a part of Afras LLC, connected with the Petroleum Development of Oman. From there, we destined in UAE, and I was with Citibank as sales manager. And then my passion towards freelancing started in the year 2010. Duly started in Sharjah with a perfect license from one of the polyclinic owner. So, there I started my consulting. I was consulting for the chain of polyclinics. From there, it moved to jewelry, it moved to supermarkets, and then I had a powerful interconnection from my sales and product marketing managers connected to train their team and the sales pitch. So, I entered training the sales and marketing team together. So, this year I am blessed to complete more than 13 to 14 years in my consulting and training career. So, I am a soft skills trainer and consultant by profession, and this video is just a startup, the power of now implementation, because we are moving towards the year end 2020, a superheroistic year, duly blessed from Chinese hands. Thanks to gratitude to them for making us realize so much in them. We shall overcome this pandemic shortly. So, 2021, I am starting vigorously my consulting and training career. So, if any company, any entrepreneur, any startup company needs a business plan or a guidance on the marketing, advertising, sales pipeline, the strategies, you can reach me through priya.letsell@gmail.com. In my YouTube video, you can find my email in the description box. In my Facebook timeline and the Facebook page Let's Sell Successfully, you have a complete set of information about me. So, we are into the power of now. I was completing on communication patterns into product marketing and selling platforms. Before I move further, I just want to reintroduce myself. So now I'm putting back, because as I tell often, I never confuse me and people around. So to be very clear and precise, I'm starting my soft skills training and consulting basements again. It moves on, but it has a staggering stop in 2020 start, and so then it moved slowly. Now in 2021 I have a plan to restart it in full swing. It's not restarting, it is enhancing further the speed or the bandwidth of the communication pipelines and the training platforms. So kindly bless me with all your opportunities. And freelancing is a paid freelancing, definitely, because already I have lost a lot in the financial fronts. It is not the way I feel that I lost something. I was able to share my knowledge and I was able to gain the knowledge. That is the profit making part of this journey. And I am open for soft skills training and consulting. Any startup company, any company who's hiring consultants can kindly get back to me. So please start, if not 100 in a crowd, if one is benefited, I'll be the happiest person available. And my experiences which has been taught into the field by leading managers, I'm just sharing. I'm nothing before them. I never say that I have learned many things. It's lots and lots to learn. My knowledge is completely from the sea of sales experiences and people connected, and consulting also the same. And one more small request is, there is a powerful mentor for me. Mr. Gary Jacobs is the CEO of World Academy of Arts and Science and also the Vice President of the Mother Service Society. He is also the proprietor of Mira International Consulting Firm in Napa, California. So any business ideas you need in a larger measure, in a celebrity measure, you can kindly get back to garyjacobs@gmail.com, or you can reach me. I shall provide you the necessary details. There is 2 books in the market. I will completely go for a session on making a difference with the Vital Difference and the Vital Corporation on board. There is also a title called The Book from him. It is fine experiences of consulting, scientific management, lot of personality development, etc. You can have a read on that. All the books are available in Amazon and also in leading US markets. So anything else, you can kindly get back to me. This is a small gratitude I offer to my mentor upon implementing lot of his business principles into my consulting career. Thank you so much for watching. Have a very grateful day. This is Priya Mahesh signing off for Let's Sell Successfully from the studios of my own home. That is my freelancing career in the platform of Abu Dhabi, United Arab Emirates, and thanks to all the frontliners, the rulers of the UAE who have been very kind enough in showering their grace and protection all through. Please keep your care on completely. Love to see you all soon once the pandemic is over. Stay safe, take care, catch you up on a next refreshing video which is completely professional. Thank you so much.